Alright, the next topic I'll discuss is how to attach the depth camera to the robotic arm. We can attach the depth camera to the robotic arm using this camera bracket. Let's start. Firstly, attach the camera bracket to the robotic arm, ensuring the bolt side is facing inward. Then align it with these two holes. Install the screws from the outside. Okay, the camera bracket is already attached to the robotic arm. Please ensure the bolt side is towards the inside. Otherwise, the camera bracket cannot be firmly fixed to the robotic arm. Next, we are going to install the depth camera. Before installing, pay attention to the port direction. The round hole below should face downward. The interface on the right should be oriented towards the robot's right side. Let's take a look. Align the camera with the camera bracket. Let's install it. Connect the power supply and signal cable to the camera. In order to make the thread more beautiful, let's rearrange the thread. Pass the cable through the bracket like this. Okay, we are done now. The depth camera is mounted to the robotic arm.